Hi guys! For today's episode, so this will be just a personal content of mine. So for today, I'm going to unbox one of my favorite toys back when I was a kid. So this is just a simple unboxing video. So let's start. So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to always be updated with my upcoming contents. So again, let's proceed to the unboxing. So for today's unboxing video, so I'm just going to unbox this classic Lego. So back to when I was a kid, I used to play this kind of toy, this brand of toy to be exact. So let's start. So here, let's see. Let me use a cutter. So I'm a bit careful in opening the box. Oops. Well, okay, let's see. It only has 123 pieces of Lego. So hopefully in the future I'll be collecting a lot of these. So here's the content before I put it out. So we have a manual. Then the Lego itself. So here are some small pieces. Okay guys, so here are the contents. So I will no longer count it. So here's the toy that I have unboxed. Okay, so that concludes our video. So if you like the video, please make sure to hit the like button and also smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell for always to keep you updated with my upcoming content. Until the next video, bye.